Welcome. We have decided today to come into the outdoors and enjoy nature. All right, here we go. We're gonna do some workouts. So, there's a big cliff up there, and we're gonna take a little hike. Here it is. But the video today is not about the hike, but instead it's about baseball. One thing that makes the game of baseball so great is sunflower seeds, snacks. I want you to go in the comments right now and tell me what your favorite dugout snack is, or what your favorite baseball snack is, what your favorite kind of seeds. Because in a little bit, we're gonna crack open a brand new plate crate, and if I'm right, I think there's gonna be something in there that you might want to see. Now, if somehow you don't know what plate crate is, I've said it like 100 times over the past year. If you don't know what plate crate is a monthly baseball subscription box. It's basically just Christmas every month. You sign up and you just get one of these shipped to your door. It's pretty amazing. So this is the plate crate for the month of May, and we're gonna crack this thing open and see what's inside. So this month's theme is throwing cheddar. Alright, the first thing I see, cheese balls. Crazy curves, insane movement, wild fun. So it's basically like a blitz ball, but it's a cheese ball. A plate crate golden ticket. Scratch to win special prizes, discounts, experiences, and more. 40% off any Bandit Sports item. That's pretty sweet. Alright, next item. We have some cuff bands. We can get some good warm-ups in. Dude, there's not one, but two mac and cheese sunflower seeds. Baseball would not be baseball without sunflower seeds. Dude, my mouth is watering. Oh man, I just got a burst of flavor. This is so good. Come on, I'm gonna spit them over the cliff. Dude, I don't want to spit them out. Whoa! Where are you? Oh, hey! What? How are you doing? I'm great! What? You want some sunflower seeds? Never mind! I just had a conversation from this ledge to that ledge way over there. I really hope you could hear that in the mic. Have a good day! Let's get back to it. There was one more thing in that crate. Come on. Oh. A shirt. Holy smokes, dude. That's sick. Give me a second. Alright, that's pretty sick. You guys know what time it is? It's time to cue the epic B-roll. There you have it. That is this month's plate crate. Yeah, if you guys want a plate crate, go down to the link in the description, click on that link, and it'll take you straight to plate crate. Just sign up, and you want some of these, go buy a plate crate. Now, if you need some financial help, I got you. If you guys use my code LAPPBROS at checkout, $20 off your first plate crate. And you can get one of these. Actually, you can get 2 of them. Link in the description. Go grab your plate crate. They're amazing. It was a good day. Thanks for watching, y'all, and we will see you in the next one.